Okay, so welcome back. I thought I'd put an extra one in today because today we reached a bit of a milestone. We managed to get the Cadillac started and I actually drove it around the yard, as you'll see from this bit of video. Okay, after about 7 years, we're going to see if we, after the rebuild of the engine, we're going to see if it will start. Who knows? All right, fuel on. Yep, perfect. Right. Huh? Is that you? Huh? I'm not doing it. Stopping the start. Ah, right. Keep it going. I'm just trying to find out where the timing is. Take two. Let's have another go. I think it's about a third throttle. Right, it's getting there, isn't it? You put a gasket in there, didn't you? I did, yeah. Did you have one there before? No. Turn it down one. Take it down quite a lot. Yeah. It's all right, isn't it? Nothing wrong with that, is there?
Hey, I really
All that smoke is just the oil coming off the
radiator, feel it?
Yep.
Bit of wall?
Yeah.
What noises? Oil dripping?
Oil is dripping.
get it to idle at that. That screw, you want to turn it. Trouble keeping the speed down. Check your brakes! Turn it off. Quite like the climber.
There's some harshness when you put it in the second gear. I think this is, I've got it two.
I think that's
two
fine.
I'll back it off a quarter turn. But yeah, it's good. It's working, isn't it? Yeah. Put the body on and we're away.
I'm jealous.
Yeah, but this is still already ragged. Yeah, that's before you put the body on, we'll lots of photographs. American restoration.
No, I will go.
No, that's good. I can't remember last time I drove a Cadillac. Well, 2018.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, calls for a cup of tea now. Right. So there we go. That was quite good fun. I've got a ticket on the front here. So 2018 was the last time I drove this car, and we took it off the road because there was a problem with the engine. And my friend Howard had got bearings to do on his engine as well. So we thought, well, we'll do the two engines together. And we took them all apart, and basically both cranks were cracked. So we had to set to and have some cranks made. And there was a lead time of 6 months on that. Then COVID took over, so it was actually 2.5 years before we actually got the cranks back. And in between that time I started racing the Brabham, so my interest had moved more into racing single-seaters. But it's about time we really got these back on the road. So a few weeks ago we managed to get the engine in this car, which was good. And today was the day to see if we started it. So really pleased with the way that's gone. We've made a few adjustments to the engine. It ticks over absolutely beautifully, and so that's good. The other thing that's been going on is I managed to get the Caterham up on the ramp. There's nothing wrong with it actually. I'm just checking it out because obviously after the accident we took it to Silverstone. I had an absolutely fantastic day at Silverstone. The weather was absolutely perfect. But I just wanted to check because there was a lot of brake dust coming out the side, so I just wanted to check the brake pads. They're absolutely fine. Just checked the suspension and all the bolts, and spanner checked it, so that's absolutely good. Because not this coming weekend, the weekend after, I'm going to Goodwood and I'm going to do a track day at Goodwood just to get some laps in really. Because last time I was at Goodwood, we had a red flag, and we only actually did 8 minutes of racing. So I'm going there to the members meeting in the Brabham, so that's all good. The other thing we're going to do is, I painted the body on the Brabham as well, so that's all good. There's going to be a video on that coming out probably at the weekend, so I've got to work, that's if I can get round to editing that, so that's hopefully that'll be the weekend. It might be Sunday, but if I can get that out before then I will. And yeah, so this is just a little short midweek catch up, and just to say that I'm actually really enjoying the fact that you can wake up in the morning and the sun's nearly up, and you know, you work into the evenings, it's still light. So I'm getting lots done at the moment, so yeah, really happy. So thanks for watching. Hope you're having a really good start of the spring. And as you can see, we've got lots going on, so just keep watching. I've got lots of video ideas coming up, so don't forget to subscribe to see more. As usual, give me a like, send me comments. I like reading your comments. I even reply to them sometimes as well. And there's a little hype button. If you can push that, that would be brilliant. And just keep watching, just keep doing stuff. And we'll see you all next time. And remember, how hard can it be?